Desserts don't need to be full of sugar and empty calories to taste amazing. You can enjoy sweet treats that are not only delicious but also nourishing for your body. Guilt-free desserts strike the perfect balance between indulgence and health, letting you savor your favorite flavors without compromising your wellness goals. In this guide, we'll dive into 40 carefully curated ideas for guilt-free desserts that will satisfy your cravings while keeping your nutritional values in check. Fruit-based delights: frozen banana slices dipped in rich, dark chocolate and sprinkled with crushed nuts make for a sweet, creamy, and satisfying bite-sized treat. Whip up a refreshing fruit sorbet using frozen berries and a splash of orange juice for a naturally sweet dessert with no added sugars. Grilled pineapple drizzled with a touch of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon is a warm, caramelized treat perfect for any occasion. Stuffed apples baked with oats, chopped nuts, cinnamon, and a drizzle of maple syrup create a comforting dessert with all-natural sweetness. Layer creamy Greek yogurt, vibrant fresh fruit, and crunchy granola in a tall glass for a delicious and visually stunning parfait. Chocolate fixes: blend ripe avocado, unsweetened cocoa powder, and a touch of maple syrup to create a rich, velvety chocolate mousse packed with healthy fats. Dark chocolate bark topped with almonds, pistachios, and dried cranberries offers a decadent treat loaded with antioxidants and satisfying crunch. Indulge in homemade chocolate-covered strawberries for an elegant dessert that's both simple to make and irresistibly delicious. Bake a single-serving mug brownie using almond flour, cocoa powder, and a natural sweetener for a quick, guilt-free chocolate fix. Create chocolate protein cookies by mixing protein powder, oats, almond butter, and a few dark chocolate chips for a filling, nutritious snack. Dairy-free and vegan options: make creamy coconut milk ice cream using just coconut milk, vanilla extract, and a touch of agave syrup for a smooth, dairy-free delight. Vegan chia pudding made with almond milk, chia seeds, and fruit puree is a light, satisfying dessert perfect for prepping in advance. Craft no-bake energy bites with a mix of dates, cocoa powder, and shredded coconut for a nutrient-packed snack that satisfies sweet cravings. Blend frozen bananas into a smooth, creamy texture to create banana ice cream, a healthy alternative to traditional ice cream. Prepare dairy-free chocolate fudge using coconut oil, unsweetened cocoa powder, and maple syrup for a rich, indulgent experience. Baked goods with a healthy twist: replace refined sugar with natural options like honey or applesauce in your favorite muffin recipe for a sweet and wholesome treat. Bake oatmeal cookies packed with chewy raisins, dark chocolate chips, and a touch of cinnamon for a healthy twist on a classic dessert. Make flourless brownies using black beans or sweet potatoes as the base, resulting in a moist, fudgy treat loaded with nutrients. Whole wheat banana bread with chopped walnuts and a drizzle of honey makes a hearty, satisfying dessert that's great for sharing. Bake thinly sliced apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon and maple syrup to create crunchy, naturally sweet apple crisps. Refreshing frozen treats: blend fresh mangoes with a squeeze of lime juice, then freeze into popsicles for a tropical and refreshing dessert everyone will love. Layer creamy yogurt and vibrant pureed fruit in popsicle molds for a tangy, colorful frozen treat that's perfect for summer days. Create frozen yogurt bark topped with mixed berries and a drizzle of honey for a crunchy, protein-packed snack. Freeze leftover coffee into ice cubes and blend them with almond milk and cocoa powder to make a refreshing frozen mocha dessert. Prepare a frozen peanut butter and banana smoothie bowl, then top it with granola, dark chocolate shavings, and fresh fruit. Low-carb and keto-friendly treats: make keto cheesecake bites using an almond flour crust and a creamy filling sweetened with a low-carb sugar substitute like stevia. Craft sugar-free chocolate fat bombs with coconut oil, natural peanut butter, and unsweetened cocoa powder for a rich and satisfying snack. Low-carb lemon bars made with almond flour and natural sweeteners provide a tangy and refreshing twist on the classic dessert. Stack coconut flour pancakes with fresh berries and a dollop of sugar-free whipped cream for a light, guilt-free treat. Prepare keto-friendly chocolate truffles with unsweetened cocoa, heavy cream, and a hint of vanilla for an indulgent, low-carb option. Simple and quick options: slice fresh dates, fill them with almond butter, and sprinkle them with sea salt for a sweet and salty snack that's incredibly easy to make. Create cinnamon-spiced popcorn, drizzled with dark chocolate for a crunchy, flavorful dessert that's perfect for movie nights. Make no-bake peanut butter oatmeal bars using just oats, creamy peanut butter, and honey, then chill them for a firm, satisfying treat. Whip up 2-ingredient pancakes by mashing a ripe banana, mixing it with eggs, and cooking it into a naturally sweet and simple dessert. Blend creamy cottage cheese with cocoa powder and a natural sweetener to create a protein-packed chocolate dessert in minutes. Conclusion: guilt-free desserts show that you can satisfy your sweet tooth without sacrificing your health, proving that indulgence and nutrition can coexist. With these 40 extended ideas, you'll have endless inspiration for creating desserts that taste decadent while keeping your well-being in mind.